Hey y'all, this is Hippie from H&H Racing, Bad Back and Knees Club. Um, man, I started shooting a video the other day about this drill press, and man, we recently lost one of the good ones. My stepdaddy Coy Moore. Man, that was one of the honestly, it was one of the finest men that's ever walked the earth. I can't say enough. And man, if his son Jason ever happens to see this or whatever, buddy, I got to tell you, man, you're one impressive young man, and your daddy would have been darn proud of you. You impressed me, son. Anyway, moving on. This here drill press was sitting on the bench at Coys River House when the hurricane came through and the bench collapsed and it snapped the transom off of it. And anyway, Coy told me I could have it, and I took and dried the motor up, and I set about repairing this transom. And what I did, I went in and I stacked plate and welded plate and bronze and silver brazed. I notched it. Man, it's solid. Hell, it's better than it was brand new. As far as strength goes, and you know, one day I will take a moment and I'll clean all that up and machine it out. But man, it certainly serves the purpose. And I needed to get a drill press back in here, and it just seemed appropriate with Coy passing on New Year's Eve that we should get his up and running. And man, I have a lot of tools that belong to people that ain't with us no more. I'm a sentimental type like that. But anyway, what I did, I took a stubby 19 and put on my nut down there, and then I put a knurled finger nut on top of it so I can turn my plate any way I want to turn it, and then whoop, locks in. You know, it's kind of set up just like a lathe type jig would be. My little mount down here, this is literally just cardboard cover, and this thing's bolted in to the table, and I got it reinforced with plate underneath of it. But I like this little thing right here because I can set drill bits there. I can set my oil and all that, and you know, you're just talking about that exact thing. That oil can belonged to my granddaddy, and man, you know, I use it anytime I'm cutting or anything. I keep it's full of cutting oil, and that's what we keep in it. But anyway, this thing works wonderfully, man. It does everything the way it's supposed to do it. And it is so, I don't know, it's nifty to me because it's vintage, and it's even niftier because it was Coys. But let's look a little bit more about this together here. It had a date on it, and I have done forgot it. But anyway, it is a pulley drive, and runs from 480, 930, 1750, and 3000, depending upon how you gear it. And again, it works and runs and operates flawlessly. I dig it. And I swear I saw a date on this darn thing. Well, anyway, dead space ain't good for nobody or nothing. You know, I honestly, I saw a date on this thing, and I can't remember what it was now. And anyway, I believe this to be 1976 vintage is what it said. I've got a big overhead belt sander and disc combo that come from out there. That's dated 80, so you know, I don't know if that would be right on in there. But anyway, this is the new drill press at H&H Racing Services. I've done a little something different with the table. It's come to the point now where I need a dedicated engine table that doesn't have anything else on it, but I really need this island to float for my next couple projects. And anyway, so that's changed a little bit. And anyway, man, thank you for listening to my drill press story. And man, Coy, we miss you, bud. I'm out.